What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. We are at 3,000 subscribers strong. You guys have been fantastic on my channel. Make sure you hit that like button before you even hit the notification bell if you are a new subscriber. So this is a whole brand new series on my dividend investing channel. And these are Warren Buffett stocks that I own and Warren Buffett stocks that are good stocks to buy right now. So I own a few of them, and I'm going to go over a stock and dividend analysis, and I'm going to be a little bit more technical on this stock and why it's a good stock, and how it's doing against certain other companies in the sector and certain other companies that Warren Buffett owns. So this is going to be a little bit technical. I'm going to show you how many shares I own in this stock, why I like this stock. So there's a lot of, I'm going to pretty much tell you why I own this stock and why I will continue to buy more shares for it. So let's have some fun and let's go. Okay, so that stock would be Bank of America. Warren Buffett owns 33.9 million shares last time I saw with Berkshire Hathaway. The price is $25.82. I will show you how it's done against the S&P shortly. Its earnings date will be released on October 14, 2020. Its dividend date will be on the 3rd of 2020. The market cap is 223.75 billion. The beta, the 5-year monthly, is 1.58. The PE ratio is 12.73. It is listed as a undervalued stock right now. So that is one thing that's very attractive with this stock. So we'll go over the dividend history as well. And I'm going to compare it against Wells Fargo because that's another stock that Warren Buffett owns. But Wells Fargo does have some issues. And this is why I own Bank of America over Wells Fargo. So let's look at its stock history and how it's done against the S&P real quick. So if you look at the history of Bank of America since inception, you can tell it's gone up. It started right at 1980 and it went public. So it's gone up, it's gone up, it's gone up, gone up very well. And then the recession hit, boom. It was at $7 and let's go even lower, $6. What's the lowest point? $3.04. So it was in jeopardy mode, and then it slowly came back, started to wake up a little bit, hit at $35.35. Then it took a significant nosedive because of the bug. Everybody was freaking out, and now it's at $26.11. So that is kind of an attractive stock, yielding a 2.79 dividend yield. So let's compare it to the S&P real quick. Since inception, it has done well, and then the crash hit, the recession hit. It was down to 502.64% since inception. I'm sorry, 200%. It was up 200%, and the S&P was up 502.64%. So the financial sector usually takes a big hit sometimes when people hit the panic button. And you'll notice that too as well, that once the bug hit, the financial sector and the real estate sector took a huge hit. So Bank of America currently is losing against the S&P. The Bank of America has been up since inception 1,715.10% to 2,592.50%. Now, these numbers don't look very attractive. Let's think about this. Okay, let's look in the past 5 years real quick. So it was right in line with these guys in the past 5 years, and then it took a little bit of a nosedive, and it's slowly getting back up. But let's think about this. The market always fixes itself. This is a undervalued stock on Yahoo Finance. So that's another thing that's very attractive about Bank of America. It's listed as an undervalued stock. So financially, let's see how it's doing. The revenue was at 19.96 billion. Oh, 19.96 billion. It was down 9.32%. Okay, the net income, there were some arrows that were down. December it was down 1.67%. So the revenue went up to 21.41 billion. Then the bug hit, which is not a surprise. It was down 18.12%. The revenue was 18.01 billion. Again, 18.01 billion. That's nothing to really freak out about. And then it went down 22.58% to 17.21 billion. So that's not, I wouldn't freak out about that much. That is, when you see billions, like more than $10 billion, that's a pretty good company. I wouldn't freak out over that yet. Let's see how it's done against Wells Fargo. And Wells Fargo's had some issues recently. Beginning since inception, Wells Fargo has beat Bank of America. But look at this significant nosedive since Wells Fargo's had some serious issues. And let's look in the past 5 years how Wells Fargo has done against Bank of America. So Bank of America has done better against Wells Fargo, okay? And let's not forget the Wells Fargo issue with their dividend, that they've had some issues with their dividend because they're kind of in damage control with their reputation, and they might be in some trouble for doing some possible shady stuff. So let's look at the dividend history of Bank of America. There's a lot of positive news about Bank of America because and things that I'm seeing, not only is the dividend increasing over time, it went from 1 cent to 5 cents to 12 cents to 15 cents to 18 cents. So it's increasing its dividend over time. And as a dividend investor, that's what you want to see is a stock that increases its dividend over time. So that makes its stock attractive to me. And I'll show you how many shares I own real quick and what I plan on doing with Bank of America with my dividend portfolio on M1 Finance. About 18 cents, okay? And 18 times 5.72, okay, so that's going to increase over time and build a compound interest in my fractional share dividend portfolio. Then one of my goals was to get to 25 shares in each stock and then start messing around with the other stocks. So let's think about this. I'm up 12.74%. I got Bank of America when it was down, and that's very attractive when it went down. I don't plan on selling it. I plan on buying more shares, and I'll show you the percentage that I have on it. So right now I'm at 1.6%. My goal is to get to 4%. So my plan with Bank of America is I'm going to buy more shares, reinvest more dividends, let the compound interest kick in. That way, when these stocks, all these other stocks that I own, okay, Pfizer, I put a higher percentage with these because I'm close to getting 25 shares. Once I get to 25 shares, these stocks will start buying more shares of Bank of America because of the dividends and the fractional share dividend portfolio. So things are starting to go in the right direction with this stock. And I really am thrilled to see Bank of America help me with my dividend portfolio. So Warren Buffett's stock of Bank of America is really paying dividends. Haha, corny joke. And I will continue to buy more shares of Bank of America. And, one thing with Buffett is, he did sell a lot of the airline stocks. And I do have Delta right here. But I'm going to continue to invest Delta because it's going to fix itself over time. And I'm sure they will start distributing their dividend. So I like what I see with Bank of America. I'm going to reinvest more dividends. I'm going to put more money into Bank of America and let the dividends start flowing. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you hit that like. I'm going to start this series. I'm going to at least do a few videos on the Warren Buffett series. So there will be a video section on my channel with Warren Buffett. So that's one thing with his stocks that I own and that he owns. So I will enjoy doing more stock and dividend analysis videos on stocks that I own and stocks that Warren Buffett owns. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys have been fantastic on this channel. We are at 3,000 strong. I would appreciate it again if you gave me a like on this, because I put a lot of time in this and I'm very busy with graduate school, but I want to put videos out for you guys because I enjoy doing videos and helping you guys with your dividend portfolios, or giving you ideas to help you with your dividend portfolios or your IRAs and or your Roth IRAs. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I enjoy helping people. So that's one of the reasons why I made this channel. So thank you again. Enjoy your Monday and have a good one.